we got a nice little gift by moving the tax deadline from April 15th to May 17th. But now the big question is, so when's the tax payment due? You know it's got to be due soon. Lisa Greene Lewis, CPA, TurboTax expert, is here with us. People are questioning, when do I owe the government money?
Yes, so it is due with the new extended tax deadline for federal taxes, which is May 17th.
So people should know, much like it was on April 15th, when you file your tax return, whether you extend or not, the bill is due now on May 17th, which is the new, I guess, April 15th, which makes life completely confusing. Other things were extended as well, though, weren't they? So other deadlines moved with the tax return.
Right, yes. So they did extend the date to contribute to your IRA. So you still have until May 17th to contribute to your IRA. That's $6,000 and another $1,000 if you're 50 and over. And you could still make an impact on your 2020 taxes. And then they also extended the deadline. I know we talked in another segment about, claiming a refund for previous tax returns. So they extended that deadline for your 2017 taxes. You have until May 17th to also file your 2017 taxes for a refund.
Yeah, and big no, for reasons that I don't know, and I don't know if you know, they did not extend the estimated payment due dates. So if you are someone who makes estimated tax payments, you still needed to do that by April 15th, right? But don't panic if you didn't know.
Right, yes. Don't panic if you didn't know. And then there's some things you can do also. A lot of self-employed don't make the same amount of income throughout the year, and the IRS knows that. And they also allow you to annualize your income. So that allows you to not claim the same amount of income in every quarter, so you may not get a penalty.
That's a great, great, great point. Okay, so with all this though, what if I don't have the money? Like, what if I end up with a much bigger tax bill than I anticipated, and I just can't pay it right now? What do I do?
Yeah, so if you can't pay it, I would try to pay as much as you can, but if you can't pay, the IRS does allow you to apply for an installment agreement. So that allows you to pay your debt over 6 years.
Yeah, and it's a form, from my understanding, the IRS is pretty good about taking what you can offer. Offer them a number that's going to be reasonable that you're going to stick to. That's the last thing you want to do, right, is mess up your payment plan with the IRS. And it's Form 9465. So pick a number that works and submit it. And they're pretty good about that kind of stuff, right?
Yeah, and when you file your taxes and they see that you owe, you'll get a letter from them stating that, giving you your options and telling you that you can apply for an installment agreement. And they'll also give you an option to apply online if you owe $50,000 or less.
I think the biggest thing is to just be honest and stay in touch and just let them know that you're aware. Don't try to dodge it. Not a good idea. There are a multitude of options, and you can find something that works with your financial life at home. Lisa Greene Lewis, CPA and TurboTax expert. Thank you for all this information.
Thank you.